So hello students, today we see some problems based on Kc, Kp and their units. Okay, so first, so write the Kc and Kp and their units for the following equilibrium. So here the first question is actually is the preparation of ammonia in Haber's process. So కొన్నిసార్లు మనకు total equation ఇవ్వకుండా so directly in the question it is given that the reaction of the preparation of ammonia in Haber's process. We have to remember this equation. And 2 plus 3H2 gives us 2NH3. So we have to remember the physical states also. Because to write the Kp, Kc values, we must know about the physical states. So just I am writing about Kc. So what is the concentration of product? NH3 squared by N2 concentration power 1. So H2 concentration power 3. This is Kc. Simple, very simple reaction. What is the Kp? The partial pressure of ammonia square by partial pressure of nitrogen into partial pressure of hydrogen cube. So these are the Kc, Kp. Now write their units. Automatically direct the units have a formula. So what is the formula? What is the formula for units? Units of Kc equal how much? Moles per liter power delta n. So now we write so what is the units of Kc equal moles per liter power delta n. So what is the delta n? Here delta n is how much? So we can be right side or straight ga chesing. Delta n equal number of moles of products. Delta n means number of products, number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of reactants. Number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. There are 2 gases, here are 3 plus 1, 4 gases, 2 moles of products. So minus 2. So power minus 2. So these are the units. Now finally we can write the units. Moles power minus 2 liter gets square. Okay. Next, what are the units of Kp? So we know the formula for Kp units, very simple. That is atmosphere power delta n. Delta n is 2. So what are the units? Units of Kp here, atmosphere power delta n is simple minus 2. Atmosphere minus 2. Okay. So let's see one more reaction. Second, N2 plus O2 gives rise is given to NO. So already we know N2. We have to remember the about these states. So what is the Kc whole square, N2 concentration, O2 concentration. Units of Kc equal to, so is there possible 2 moles, here 1 mole, here 1 mole. So 2 plus 2 minus 2, 0 means units of Kc no units. So because delta n is equal 0 ochina. So Kc you no units and automatically we know Kp also no units. Partial pressure of n whole square, partial pressure of n2 and partial pressure of O2. So Kp has no units since delta n is equal 0. Okay. Okay, see some more examples. So here PCl5, PC given, decompose it to PCl3, Cl2. So we have to remember all these three are gases. So Kc is equal to concentration of PCl3 into concentration of Cl2 by concentration of PCl5. So then what are the units of units last down? Next, what is Kp? So simple, pressure of partial pressure of PCl3 into partial pressure of chlorine by partial pressure of phosphorus pentachloride. Now what are the units? Units of Kc. Units of Kc, we know that moles per liter, whole power delta n. So delta n means so gas, 1 mole of gas, 1 mole of the total 2 moles of products, and 1, 2 minus 1, that is moles per liter. Okay, units are moles per liter. Next, what are the units of Kp? Atmosphere power delta n, so power 1. So just units of Kp is atmosphere power 1. Next again, so here also both I2O4 is also gas and O2 is also gas. This is nitric oxide. So this is nitrogen dioxide. So actually it is also known as nitrogen dioxide dimeric form, okay, or nitrogen tetroxide. NO2 concentration square by N2O4 concentration. What is Kp? Partial pressure of NO2 square by partial pressure of N2O4. Then units of Kc is equal. So 2 moles of gas minus here 1 mole of gas. 2 minus 1, same. So units of Kc also again moles per liter whole power 1, that is moles per liter. Moles per liter. What are the units of Kp? Atmosphere power 1, simply atmosphere, okay. So both are having same units because the delta n is same. So here 2 minus 1, 1, here also 2 minus 1, 1, okay. Okay, see other examples. Actually these two are very different examples compared to the above. So actually here calcium carbonate, we know that it is in solid state. So lime is also solid state. Oh, here only it is a gaseous state. So then what is the Kc? So Kc is only the concentration of CO2. There is no concentration for CaO solid. There is no concentration of CaCO3 as it is in solid state. So then what about Kp? So Kp also only partial pressure of CO2. So there is no partial pressure for it. There is no partial pressure for it. Next, what are the units? Units of Kc equal, we know that moles per liter whole power delta n. What is whole power delta n means? A number of moles of gaseous products minus gaseous reactants. Here only one mole of CO2 gas. Here no gases, same gas, 1 minus 0. And simply we get moles per liter. So then what are the units of Kc? Same, atmosphere power 0. Sorry. Atmosphere power delta n, 1 minus again atmosphere power 1, only atmosphere, okay. So then the same for this. So ammonium hydrogen sulfide, this is called ammonium bisulfide or ammonium hydrogen sulfide, decomposed into ammonia gas and H2S gas. Here important thing is ammonium hydrogen sulfide. Ammonium hydrogen sulfide is a solid compound. So here these two are gases. So Kc equals ammonia concentration power 1 into H2S concentration. So there is no reactants in gaseous state. So here partial pressure of ammonia into partial pressure of H2S gases. Then what are the units? Units of Kc is equal to how much? Say moles per liter. Moles per whole power delta n. Delta n how much? So 1 mole, 1 mole, 2 moles. There is no gases, 2 minus 0. Okay, that means we can write moles square so liter power minus 2. Okay, next, so Kp is also there. Atmosphere power delta n 2 kabatti what are the units? Atmosphere is units or atmosphere square. Okay, see one more important concept in this chemical equilibrium is relation between Kp and Kc. So already we discussed how to write Kc, how to write Kp and their units, and the main important the questions based concept is relation between Kp and Kc. So I have a direct relation. Actually there is a some derivation is there, but here we don't need any derivation for it. Okay, for questions purpose there is no need of derivations. Directly we write the relation and problems. What is the main relation between this is the Kp is equal to Kc into RT power delta n. So we know that Kp, so the equilibrium, so what is Kp? So equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. In terms of partial pressure. So what is Kc? Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, or we know that ideal gas constant. So capital T, ideal gas constant or universal gas constant. Capital T means absolute temperature. Absolute temperature, that is temperature in Kelvin. So delta n. So it's delta n, you know that delta n is the number of gaseous moles of products minus the number of moles of gaseous reactants. Okay, in delta n is number of moles difference. So actually manaki there is no need of substituting R value, substituting T value. So actually మన total problems లో so okay equilibrium ఇచ్చేదానికి Kp less than Kc ఆ Kp greater than Kc నా సో Kp is equal to Kc నా అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సో న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూస్ తో చేయం, సింపుల్గా Kp Kc కి రిలేషన్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆ ఈక్వాలిటీ అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి ఆర్ వాల్యూ టీ వాల్యూస్ నాట్ ఏ బిగ్ యూజ్, డెల్టా అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో కాబట్టి మనం స్టార్టింగ్గా మనం సో Kp ఈక్వల్ Kc ఆర్టీ కో డెల్టా ఎన్లో డిఫరెంట్ చాయిసెస్ చూద్దాం, డిఫరెంట్ కేసెస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ if delta n is negative, okay, so another how to get the delta n value, number of products moles minus number of moles of reactants which are in gaseous state. So negative వచ్చిందంట. So what will be the relation? మన డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి స్టార్టింగ్ this from Kp RT whole power negative. So whole power negative వచ్చిందంటే so directly we can say the Kp. So something power is negative, so something power negative so that instead of automatically on the positive, so means Kp into Rp, so some positive 1 2 whatever it is Kc. So here direct we can write therefore Kp is less than Kc. So అంటే ఇక్కడ Kp కి మనం కొంచెం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తేనే we are getting Kc, we are multiplying something. సో ఆర్టీ పవర్ పాజిటివ్, ఆర్టీ పవర్ 1 ఉందా 2 ఉందా వీ డోంట్ నో, దిస్ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆర్టీ పవర్ పాజిటివ్ డెల్టా ఎన్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు కేపీకి సమ్ వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తేనే కేసీ వచ్చిందని ఆటోమేటిక్ కేసీ విల్ బి లెస్ దాన్. సో ఇప్పుడు మన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డైరెక్ట్గా మొత్తం చేయకుండా ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ద డెల్టా అండ్ నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ యూ కెన్ రైట్ కేపీ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ కేసీ. హౌ యూ మీన్స్ సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రిలేషన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ అదర్ చాయిస్? This is case 1. So what is the second case? If delta n is positive, ఎప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది? సో delta n పాజిటివ్ అంటే we know in the calculation the number of moles of product is greater than number of moles of reactant, అప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది, అది చూసుకోవాలి. సో Kp equals Kc RT power పాజిటివ్ ఇచ్చు డైరెక్ట్గా. సో ఇప్పుడు Kp ఈక్వల్ Kc ఎవరంటే Kc షుడ్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ RT సమ్ వాల్యూ. అంటే Kpకి Kc ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలంటే Kcకి సమ్ వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. మీన్స్ Kp is somewhat lesser than Kp. So automatically Kp is greater than Kc. Next we know what is other choice. If delta n is equal to 0, in some problems there is also possibility. If delta n is equal to 0, it means number of moles of products and number of moles of gaseous reactant exactly equal, then delta n equal become 0. Then Kp equal Kc into RT power 0, something power 0, 1 means so Kp equal Kc. So I have to remember these three relations. If delta n is negative, directly remember Kp less than Kc. If delta n is positive, Kp greater than Kc. If delta n is 0, Kp is equal to Kc. So now we apply this relation for different problems. Okay. Okay, now we apply the Kc-Kp relation for this equilibriums. Okay, so first, so already we know the Kp-Kc relation. Kp equal Kc RT power delta n. Delta n is negative, Kp less than Kc. If delta n is positive, Kp greater than Kc. If delta n is equal to 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Let's apply directly. But before that, we must know about the physical states: solid, so gas. So what is the relation? So the Kp equal. So I am directly delta n to find out change. Again I am not writing the relation formula right level. So delta n equal how much? So 1 mole. You can no moles. You can 1 mole. So delta n 1 mole is that is positive 1 కాబట్టి so therefore you can write Kp equal to RT power 1 and Kp is greater than Kc. Because delta n negative, delta n equal 1, positive వచ్చి Kp is greater than Kc. So this is solid, gas. Here what is delta n? So delta n is equals, this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, here no moles. Okay, there is no gases here, 2. So delta n is equal to delta n positives లో వచ్చిందంటే so Kp is greater than Kc. How it is అంటే just now we discussed. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం డైరెక్ట్గా ఇంతకుముందు ఫార్ములాలో చెక్ చేసి 3 కేసెస్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో డైరెక్ట్గా రాయాలని మనం అక్కడే డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. N2 is gas. Here, so if I write the step by step, so step by step మన ఫార్ములా రాసి తర్వాత సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే it is total your choice. So delta n equal 2 moles, here 1 mole, total delta n ఎంత మనకి 0, delta n 0 కాబట్టి so therefore we can write Kp is equal to Kc. What about this is also gas. So what is delta n? Here 2 moles, here 1 mole, that is 1. So whatever it is positive value, so therefore positive వచ్చింది కాబట్టి so Kp is greater than Kc. Okay. See some other examples. So this is the Haber's process equation. We know that N2 gas, H2 gas in 1:3 ratio forming 2 moles of H2 NH3 gas. So what is delta N? 2 moles minus here 1 mole, 3 mole, total 4. 2 minus 4 moles minus 2. So delta n is negative. So delta n negative వచ్చిందంటే already know Kp less than Kc. How it is means see the relation between Kp Kc. So here we know that Hi gas, H2 gas, I2 gas. So what is delta n? This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, this is 2 moles, total 0. So delta n is equal to 0, therefore we can write Kp is equal to Kc. So this is, so iron we must know this, iron will, so ikkada iron to react ayi ikkada only steam reacts, steam ante ikkada gaseous state తీసుకుంటాం. So this is also solid form. Here hydrogen is also in the gaseous state. So delta n is equal to delta n ikkada 4 moles gas, delta n 0 కాబట్టి, so therefore Kp is equal to Kc. Okay.